Alright, we're going to go through and set up a quick WordPress blog. So I want to go ahead and show you we are at wordpress.com and we just watched the video, that's why it's on that URL. So we're going to get started, and basically it's just wordpress.com, the get started button. So our email address, and I'm going to use it for the interactive teacher so you can see this. Please hold. Looks like there's a limit. You can only use lowercase letters and numbers. So we're going to Rob at the interactive teacher. Just make it easy. Password, we're going to go with a basic one. So maybe we say, let's do something a little different. Alright, and now we're going to pick our name. So what is our blog address name? Not very important right now. We're just going to use the interactive teacher .wordpress.com, and it'll be free. The interactive teacher .wordpress.com, and it looks like it's good. So basically the free blog is there, right? You could get domain name and mapping and 10 gigabytes and no ads and custom design and whatnot, but we're just going to go ahead. Underneath here is a button that says create blog, so we're going to create that blog. Alright, and we're going to check for our email. I've got my phone going, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it to approve it. There it is, and I'll try to take a picture of it for you. Hold on. Alright, so I got a picture of it, and I'll put that up on the blog. I'm just going to click the Activate Blog button. Gosh, I hope I remember my password. I recorded it so I could always go back and get it right. It's asking me on the setup to go ahead and do that, so I'm taking another picture on my phone for you. Hold on. And basically, I'm just clicking Next Step. I'm going to take all of its defaults, and we'll fix it once it gets on the big screen. Okay, and I'm just going to keep everything with the defaults. Next step. We're going to skip the piece where we connect the Twitter account. Hold on a second. Now it's asking us to create our first blog, so we're going to put on there Hello World, just a nice basic Hello World post. Hello World. Hey, and I'll leave that up there so you can see it. And it is publishing that post, and we are golden. So we're on. So I'm going to go ahead and log out if I can. All right, and try to log in through here. Hold on a second. So I've logged in here, and it's going to bring us right into our main screen. So this is a reader. This is not actually our blog. I use LastPass, so if you don't have it, you might want to get that. So here's our post, the interactive teacher. We posted a few seconds ago. There that is. So if we're going to go look at my blogs, we see that I've got the interactive teacher with one post, one page. So let's go to blog admin and take a look around. What we see is that it has a good, nice, healthy welcome screen, and it has a pretty good video series, so you can follow that. It'll show you how to do all the things that you need to do, but you're live. You have your website. Here it is, the interactive teacher.wordpress.com. This is the website on how you get to your administrator. So WP-admin is the typical way. And then you just put in, so notice there's no www. You have some basic screen controls here, comments I've made, site stats and whatnot. That's where I spend most of my time as a stats because I'm just plain addicted. Again, we just created it so there's no activity going on. If we come down, yeah, of course, it's just going to be impossible. So if you scroll down in this list, the next thing here is feedback, and then the next thing after that is appearance. So we're going to go to appearance. So I've got that there, and what you see first is your okay. So you've got your appearance down there, and here are your options with your appearance. You can customize it. You can put widgets. You can do menus, themes, headers, background, custom design, and mobile. And what we're going to do is just a quick preview. So customize, again, you can, that's our site right there. So it's the greatest WordPress site in all the land. Hello world, that's our first post. Here's our entries, September 13. There's our archive. Everything is pretty automatic, and that's a good place to start. I mean, it's a good place to get going, and I like it. I like it a lot. We can do the back button. Come back here. Let me pull it back up where you can see appearances. Don't go too high because Microsoft does that. Widgets, if we want to control the stuff that's on the sidebars to the side there. Here it is, right in here, your sidebar widgets. So you've got an upper footer, a first footer, a second footer, third footer, a fourth footer. We got a bunch of footers, and then we have the side widget area. So that's all there, man, and it's all in our site. And we can do things like the About Me widget, you know, some blogs I follow, band page. You know, we have quite a bit of stuff that we can really add in here to make it useful for everyone else. And again, this is a free blog. This is through the WordPress.com. Here's our inactive sidebar and whatnot. So our site is up. We got going. We're ready to go. If we want to post, all of our posts are right here. So we can look at all posts. We can certainly add new. We can change categories or tags or search that way. If we want to add pictures or video, we can add it here. If we want to put in links, we can add them here. If we want to do pages, again, we've got an about page, so maybe we put in a a new page that says links, right? So we have one, and so we're going to say okay. We're going to title that links. We're going to come down here, and what we're going to put down is the interactive teacher blog and podcast. Okay, and we're going to do a link out there, so we'll highlight this little link button here, and we're going to type in the interactive teacher.com, and that's my main site. So we're going to add that in. We're going to publish. The publish button's over here. It would be published before then. You can change the date, of course. You can change who can see it. You can change the status, whether it's published or unpublished. So let's go take a look at the site. If we look up here, we can view it just by clicking here. There's our site, right? And we've got about and then links page we just created. So let's click on that links page and then follow it back. Look at there. There it is. Boom. We're going right back to my interactive teacher blog and podcast. Thank you for joining me today to find out how to set up a WordPress.com blog. Thank you so much. Bye.